Computer science videos here today in tutorial 2 to show you guys how to sign in and out of your Instagram account. Without further ado, let us start the video. So go to your web browser, in that case Safari. Make sure you are signed in so we can then sign out and then sign in to your Instagram account. This is what you see on screen. Click on this wheel and then log out. You have been logged out. Now to log in, this is what you see. Go to the bottom of the page, type or click login, and then type in your credentials. Mine will be computer science videos. As you can see, I have it saved already. For this video, I will type this in. And then my password. Login. And there you have it. I have signed in and out, or should I say out and into my account using the computer and Instagram.com. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.